Welcome to Product Critique, the place where performance meets practicality. Today, we're reviewing the best electric breast pump double portable on the market, the NCVI Electric Breast Pump 8782. Whether you're a new mom, a working professional, or just someone in need of an efficient pumping solution on the go, this product might just be your next best investment. Let's explore why this compact yet powerful hospital-grade pump is making waves for breastfeeding moms around the world. At first glance, the NCVI 8782 is sleek, compact, and surprisingly lightweight for a hospital-grade breast pump. The device is crafted with food-grade silicone, ensuring safety for both mother and baby. Every component, aside from the electrical parts, can be disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled with ease. Even better, they're dishwasher safe, which makes maintenance incredibly simple. This set includes 10 pieces, with a 32mm flange diameter, and everything fits neatly into a travel bag, making it ideal for moms who are always on the move. Let's talk features. The NCVI pump comes with 4 intelligent modes and 9 adjustable suction levels. You can start with massage mode to stimulate milk flow, then switch between multitronic suction, suck stimulation, or express pumping based on your comfort and needs. The comfort mode allows full control to adjust the intensity, so you can customize every session to mimic your baby's natural rhythm. Whether you're looking to stimulate, express, or store milk efficiently, this pump covers all the bases. Now let's look at mobility. The NCVI 8782 houses a powerful 2200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, capable of running up to 3 full pumping sessions without recharging. And when it's time to power up, you can use a power bank, computer, or even a car adapter. It's the ultimate travel companion for pumping moms, perfect for work, commuting, or travel. The freedom from wall sockets and the assurance of lasting battery life really puts this pump ahead of many others in the same category. What's equally impressive is the anti-backflow design. The silicone diaphragm completely blocks milk from flowing into the motor, and a valve stops reverse flow from the bottle. This feature not only protects the milk from contamination but also prolongs the life of the device. It's worth noting that NCVI recommends starting with a full charge and thoroughly drying the accessories after washing to ensure peak performance and maintain suction strength. This pump is also one of the quietest on the market, operating at just 40 decibels. That means late-night sessions won't disturb your baby's sleep, or yours. The LED display adds a touch of modern ease, showing your settings clearly even in low light. With double pump functionality and hands-free usage, moms can multitask without skipping a beat. It's comfort, efficiency, and quiet performance all in one. To wrap it all up, the NCVI Electric Breast Pump 8782 is not just a tool. It's a breastfeeding companion built with care, convenience, and functionality. Its high-grade materials, thoughtful design, strong battery life, and customizable pumping experience make it the best electric breast pump double portable currently available. If you're looking for a blend of hospital-grade efficiency and home-use comfort, this is the pump you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest, hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.